welcome to this video. This one's very quick and simple on how to use the linear gradient mask in Lightroom Mobile. So if you open up masking, and that's done by clicking the little masking button, bottom layer, the little circle, tap that. Then you'll be given a little icon in the right hand corner at the bottom, which is a little plus sign. If you tap that little sign, it will give you the linear gradient. So you tap that. Now the linear gradient is easy to use, but it's a very powerful tool. You can do quite a lot in it. All I'm going to do is use it very quick in this video. I'll go into it in more depth on other videos, but all we're going to do is darken the tarmac and make the car stand out a little bit more. And then what we'll do, we'll use another linear gradient from the top left hand corner down to the bottom a little bit, just to take away some of the detail in the background. So we'll press the plus, select linear gradient, and we'll swipe up from the bottom right towards the middle, but not too far, because the further you slide your finger, the more of a feather you get with this kind of tool. So if you watch on the screen, you'll see 3 lines and it will show how much feathering the red was masked out, putting 2 fingers on the screen. Actually, we'll do it that way, just like that, and then we'll swipe this just slightly up and make it so it just feathers onto. Now, the problem is at the moment, it's getting the car as well as the tarmac. So what we need to do, we need to remove the car. So what you do is, down in the right hand corner, you've got a little white box with a little white bit that shows where your mask is masking out. The white is what's masked, the black isn't. So what you do is double tap on that box and select subtract from mask and select subject. Now you can make whatever edits you want. All I'm going to do in this one, just to make the car pop out a little bit more, is click light and we'll pull the exposure down just a little bit. We'll then go to color. We'll drop the color a little bit, and then we'll use a little bit of dehaze and a little bit of clarity. Quick as that. So at the moment, that's the before, and that's the after of the lower section. Then we'll click masking again. We'll click add. We'll do the same thing again. Click linear gradient. This time we'll drag from the top corner down to the middle. Again, you'll have a mask, but this time it will be backwards. If you double tap on the little white box again, we can subtract the car or the subject, and now we can make our changes for the top corner. So we'll drop the clarity by 50%, we'll drop the texture by 50%, and then we'll bring our exposure down a little tiny bit. Then we'll go noise and drop that by about 30, and then sharpening, we'll drop that by 50 again. Now we have the background with a lot less detail. We'll have the floor or the concrete with more detail and a lot darker. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Very easy tool to use, but a lot that you can do with it. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to know more, please leave a comment below and ask me a question. I love having a chat, so please feel free to comment. And if you really like what I'm doing, please follow my page. It would be amazing to have you along for the ride. Until next time, take care, and I'll catch you soon.
If you like this video, please take a look at our website at adriandayphotography.com.